There ain't no good in our goodbye. True love takes a lot of trying. Oh, I'm crying.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Restart.
This dance is Frankie Fever, choreographed by Madison Glover. It's a 40 count, 4 wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, forward, scuff, shuffle forward, left, right, left, rock, forward, recover, shuffle a half turn right. Section 2, make a quarter turn right, stepping left to side, touch, clicking fingers of left hand, make a quarter turn left, stepping back and right together, quarter turn left, stepping right to side, touch, click fingers of right hand, quarter turn right, stepping back on left, step right together. Section 3, figure 8, side, behind, quarter, step forward, pivot a half turn left, another quarter left, behind, quarter turn right. Section 4, point, cross, point, cross, back, together. Last section. March on the spot, rising up and down. Keep your left leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now as you do this, for the first 2 counts, left arm in front, and further counts 3 and 4, right arm in front. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, rocking chair. Weight is on your left, facing 9 o'clock, and you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there is a restart after 32 counts on wall 5. So let me show you wall 5. It starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 32 counts on wall 5, and you restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. Forward scuff, shuffle, forward rock, recover, shuffle a half. And that's the whole dance.